If we click on the button in the subunit, we can show or hide it. The bottom row shows all the main menus, including climate, settings, parking or park assist, and also vehicle. The center shows quick controls. We can, for example, switch between different drive modes, adjust the steering wheel, the side mirrors, and also fold and unfold them. On the right, we find different trunks and locks, for example, for front and the boot. We can adjust the brightness for all displays and open the glove box. Closing it can only be done manually. In the top row, we find openings, for example, for charge port or the front. We have different seat settings for driver and passenger. We have a massage function. We can always only choose one, then adjust the intensity. We have different lighting themes, which affect all the displays. In addition, we can turn ambient lighting on or off in the center. Last but not least, there's charging settings and options. For example, preconditioning, open the charge port, or set a charge limit. Up next is climate, which works for the front and the rear section. We can adjust the temperature and also the ventilation strength. Below, we find seat heating and seat cooling, and quick controls in the upper part of the head unit. Moving on to settings next. We can access the owner's manual in the upper right corner. While we find additional options on the left. Access and profiles, applications, we have audio settings, connectivity, displays, Dream Drive, which includes different advanced driving assistance systems. There's vehicle, and also safety and security. Last but not least, parking. We have different camera views, for example, a surround view, and also auto park.